Hello friends, welcome to the Vision Genius. So today we are going to learn about stainless steel. So first, what is stainless steel? This is the most corrosion resistance kind of alloy of iron and chromium, and in some cases nickel and other elements also added. It contains around 10.5 to 30% of chromium and usually also contains nickel. A very popular stainless steel formulation is 18-8, where 18% is chromium and 8% of nickel. Now we'll see the types of stainless steel. So steel can be classified into 5 different classes. So first one is martensitic stainless steel, second ferritic stainless steel, third austenitic stainless steel, fourth duplex stainless steel, and fifth is precipitation hardening stainless steel. Let us see what is martensitic stainless steel. So this is the 400 series straight chromium steel with around 11.5 to 18% of chromium, but have higher carbon levels up as high as 1.2%. So this type of steel developed to be corrosion resistant and hardenable by heat treatment. They are magnetic and are used where hardness, strength and wear resistance are required, such as cutlery and multi-purpose tools. So this type of steel generally used in pump and valve parts, automotive parts and nut bolts. Let's see some of the grades of martensitic stainless steel: type 410, 414, 416, 420, etc. So next is ferritic stainless steel. This group of steels in 400 series contains 10.5 to 30% of chromium with small amount of carbon, usually less than 0.1%. So these steels are highly resistant to scaling and cracking at higher temperatures. It is magnetic and it can be cold worked and softened by annealing. So this type of steel is used in automotive parts, industrial machinery and kitchenwares. Some of the types of ferritic stainless steels are 409, 430, 439 and 442. Now let's see austenitic stainless steels. Austenitic stainless steels are the most commonly used. All the 200 and 300 series steels are austenitic stainless steels, which contains 15 to 30% of chromium and 2 to 20% of nickel to enhance the surface quality, formability and increase the corrosion resistance. The most common austenitic stainless steel is type 304, which is also known as 18-8 steel. Generally it is non-magnetic and non-heat treatable. So austenitic stainless steel is used in oil and gas fields, piping, processing equipments and cookwares. So SS304, SS310, SS316 and SS321. These are some of the grades of austenitic stainless steel. Now next is duplex stainless steel. Duplex stainless steels are called duplex because they have two-phase microstructure consisting of grains of ferritic and austenitic stainless steels. Duplex stainless steel contains relatively high level of chromium between 18 to 28% and low moderate amount of nickel. Duplex stainless steels are about twice as strong as regular austenitic or ferritic stainless steel. Duplex stainless steel shows very good stress corrosion cracking resistance. So duplex stainless steel is generally used in chemical process plants, oil and gas field, heat exchangers, cooling pipes and marine environment. These are some of the grades of DSS. Lean duplex stainless steel UNS 32101, 32202, duplex stainless steel 32205, super duplex stainless steel 32750, 32760 and hyper duplex stainless steel 33207, 32707. Now next is precipitation hardening stainless steel. So precipitation hardening stainless steels are a family of corrosion resistant alloys, some of which can be heat treated to provide tensile strength of 850 megapascal to 1700 megapascal and the yield strength of 520 megapascal to 1500 megapascal, which is around 3 to 4 times of the austenitic stainless steels. The common grades of pH stainless steels are 17 4 pH, Fe 520 17 7 pH, pH 15 7 MO. And these are some of the application of pH stainless steels: gears, valves and engine parts, turbine blades, and molding dies. Thanks for watching. We hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.